What if I told you this influencer doesn't exist? These photos, all created in minutes. No photo shoots, no travel, no expensive gear, just one base photo and AI. The AI influencer space is exploding right now. Virtual creators are landing real brand deals, building massive followings, and the technology barrier that used to exist, it's completely gone. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own AI influencer using Higgsfield Face Swap and why this tool is changing the game for content creators who want to multiply their output without the traditional production costs. This video is sponsored by Higgsfield, but I'm showing you real workflows that actually work. Let's dive in. Here's the shift that's happening. Creating consistent visual content used to require you to physically be in every location, wear every outfit, and coordinate every single photo shoot. Traditional influencer workflow: book locations and coordinate schedules. Arrange hair, makeup, and wardrobe. Hire photographers for each shoot. Travel costs for destination content. Time spent on production days. With AI influencer tools, one professional base photograph. Select or create scene images. Generate unlimited variations instantly. Every aesthetic is accessible. Zero travel required. Think about it. 10 different photo shoots versus 10 face swaps from your desk. Let me show you exactly how this works. Head over to higgsfield.ai, link in the description. They offer a free tier where you get 5 free face swap generations every single day, so you can experiment and see the quality before investing anything. Higgsfield is a complete AI creation platform. They have image generation, video tools, upscaling, and more. But their face swap feature is what we're focused on today because it's specifically designed for this use case. Go to Apps, then click on Face Swap. All right, here's the Face Swap workspace. Now, you might be wondering, what makes Higgsfield different from other face swap tools out there? Tools like Nano Banana have similar features, but here's the critical difference. Nano Banana tends to degrade image quality and lose the original scene's atmosphere. Higgsfield actually adapts to preserve the scene's characteristics, maintaining the lighting, grain, and overall aesthetic. You get results that look intentionally created, not artificially assembled. So let's put this to the test and start creating our AI influencers content library. The interface is refreshingly straightforward. On the left side, I'm uploading my source photo. This becomes my AI influencer's identity and the foundation for everything we create. On the right side, I'm uploading the target image. This is the scene, outfit, location, and styling I want. Now I'll click Face Swap. Watch this. Look at that. Perfect facial integration. The lighting on the face matches the cafe lighting exactly. My influencer has a darker skin tone than the person in the target image, but watch how Higgsfield handles this. It naturally blends her complexion throughout, extending the correct skin tone down to her arms that weren't even visible in my source photo. That's intelligent adaptation, not just a face paste. The headscarf, the Chanel sunglasses, the quilted bag, the cafe setting, even the people in the background. Everything from the original scene stays perfectly intact. Notice the grain of the original photo is preserved. That's what makes this look real. While tools like Nano Banana destroy image quality and lose that authentic texture, Higgsfield maintains it perfectly. This took a few seconds to generate. A real photo shoot at this location? Easily $2,000, $5,000 when you factor in travel, photographer, location fees, styling. AI influencers in the automotive space are crushing it right now. Car brands pay premium rates for lifestyle content. Same base photo, new scene. And look at this result. She's in a luxury car interior. Look at how the face integrates with the car's interior lighting. The reflections, the brown leather seats in the background, the steering wheel, all perfectly preserved. I'm amazed at how Higgsfield perfectly matched her skin tone and got the lighting correct. The hand on the steering wheel, no morphing, no distortion, clean integration. If you're doing brand deals, imagine showing a client, here's your product in 10 different lifestyle scenarios, all created from one photo shoot. Now let's completely change the vibe, from luxury to street style. This is a totally different aesthetic. box braids with colorful beads, graphic tee, baggy jeans, graffiti wall. The face swap is flawless, but look what else Higgsfield preserved: the styling of the braids, the texture, the beads, the entire urban aesthetic. This is the power for fashion content creators. Your AI influencer can have different hair, different style, different energy without changing your base photo. Fashion brands want diversity in content. One influencer showing different styles, different subcultures, different aesthetics. This gives them exactly that. Let's push this further. High fashion editorial content. This is editorial level photography. The intricate braid updo, the statement jewelry, the dramatic black and gold outfit. Look at the facial integration. Natural eye alignment, clean hairline, realistic skin texture. With this tool, you get superior identity fidelity. For AI influencers targeting luxury fashion brands, this is the content that gets you noticed. Let's try another lifestyle angle: sophisticated city elegance. This scene has a completely different mood. Elegant black attire, statement jewelry, sleek city backdrop with luxury cars. Beautiful. Look at how the face integrates with this upscale urban setting. The sophistication of the outfit, the jewelry, the city atmosphere, everything works together cohesively. The skin tone matches perfectly even in this different lighting environment. The detail in the jewelry and clothing texture is preserved flawlessly. This demonstrates versatility. Your AI influencer can move from cafe to city to any setting, maintaining consistency while adapting to each scene's unique character. AI influencers are dominating travel content. Why? Because they can be anywhere instantly. I'm placing our influencer at the Taj Mahal. Perfect. The lighting matches the outdoor environment, the colors blend naturally, the smile is genuine, and the pose is natural. Traditional travel content means flights, accommodations, coordinating with local photographers. With face swap technology, you're working with high-quality scene images and generating the final content yourself. The production complexity drops dramatically, while the output quality stays high. You could create a world tour content series in an afternoon, each location looking authentic and professionally shot. Now, let's get cinematic. Movie-style action content. Leather outfit, dramatic fire background, intense pose with a weapon. This is straight out of a Hollywood production. The face integration with the dramatic lighting, the orange glow from the fire reflecting on the skin, it's seamless. This is the kind of content that stops scrolling. Action movie aesthetics, thriller vibes, cinematic storytelling. So we just created 7 completely different pieces of content from one base photo in about 10 minutes. Think about what this means. One brand photo shoot becomes 50+ variations. Travel content without flights. Test different niches before committing to expensive shoots. Show brands concept mock-ups in minutes instead of days. This is how AI influencers can post daily and scale multiple brands simultaneously. The content creation bottleneck is gone. Before we wrap, Higgsfield has more features that make this even more powerful. Upscale tool. Enhance your images to higher resolutions. Perfect for print quality deliverables or detailed portfolio work. Animate. Turn static images into videos. Make your AI influencer walk and do anything you want. Turn the Enhance prompt feature on. It helps you refine and improve your prompt automatically. I'm using the Minimax High Luo 2.3 video model, which is currently free to use on Higgsfield. And here's the video result. Edit with masks. Draw over any area and change whatever you want. Add a product, write a prompt with your required edits, and done. Instant customization. Speak. Turn your photo into a talking character. Perfect for brand messaging and product explainers. Higgsfield's pricing is incredibly reasonable. Free plan to test it out. Pro plan starts at $29 a month. That's less than one coffee shop photo shoot. And that's how you build an AI influencer from scratch. From one professional photo to unlimited content across any aesthetic you can imagine. Link to Higgsfield is in the description. Start with their free plan and test this out yourself. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Drop a comment. What niche would you target for an AI influencer? I'll see you in the next one.